Bambu A1 code import steps.
1. Click Edit. 2. In advanced mode, click Machine Gcode. 3. Select Machine Start Gcode under the Machine Gcode tab. Note, it must be Start Gcode and not any other Gcode. Otherwise, the machine may be damaged. 4. Select All and delete the existing code in the Machine Start Gcode box. 5. Open the ultimatecode.txt file. Select All and copy. 6. Return to Machine Start Gcode and paste the code inside. 7. After clicking Save Current Machine, rename the code and save it. For example, as Ultimate Code. Then click OK.